Welcome to Dress Code Decoded. Today, business professional. This is not just a dress code, this is a leadership signal. Business professional is what you wear when your role includes responsibility, visibility, and decision making. Here is the difference. Business casual builds trust, business professional builds authority. Structure becomes essential. Tailored blazers, structured dresses, suits, formal blouses, closed shoes. Nothing looks relaxed anymore, but nothing should look intimidating either. Why? Because business professional communicates, I am accountable, I represent the organization, you can rely on my decision. Soft fabrics, very casual shoes, or overly playful outfits weaken that message. Your clothing should look intentional, consistent, and composed. If you look ready to lead the meeting, you understood business professional.